Regional Minister for Innovation, Science and Business of the Andalusian Regional Government, Francisco Vallejo, is offering a press conference together with the experts to explain their participation in ENCODE, Conference on Knowledge Society and Citizenry, that's currently being held in Malaga. As you can understand, for me, it's a source of great satisfaction to be here in Malaga. That Malaga again is a global center for dialogue and reflection. They have all stressed how important it is to set up this kind of fora in Europe, and they've also announced some of the topics that will be discussed during the debates in the Citizens' Agora. The English philosopher Bertrand Russell said there were two ways of getting to know people, either through contact, as I now know my fellow Latin American, Rigoberto Menchú, and another thing is to know each other or recognize each other as a description in law. I think that's the great leap forward that's been made by the Europeans, that law is one of your major achievements, and I'd like to compare this thesis during the meeting. I'm here to contribute with some ideas, and first of all, I'd like to greet everyone from Andalusia. I'd like to greet everyone in this great continent, to greet my friends here on the panel with me who have come from fantastic experiences, and I just hope that the outcome of this conference, our friends in the press, will make sure that it reaches more and more citizens, more populations.